Hey everyone, welcome to Nico Brothers. We're out here working on our 2023 Ford Raptor. Basically, my buddy had an accident on his 2017, little rear end damage, so he wants to upgrade and get himself a new one, and here we are, brand new to you kind of deal. That's where we go to get new cars, you know, the insurance auction, Copart and such like that. So we were working on this one, we ran out of panel bone, but we got some more, not a problem. We gotta work on the bed, we have to work on the front end, we gotta get all these parts together and actually reassemble everything and hopefully take it on the road. So let's not waste any time and get this thing back together.
All right, so the hood hinges came in and the bracket for the lower thing came in. So let's go ahead and swap out the hood hinges, set up all the gaps. I think the radiator support or the radiator grill thing came in, the shutter, the headlights came in. So let's get this front end dialed and then we can start on the bodywork. So we got a little bit of bodywork right here and a little bit on the hood and a little bit on that fender. So let's get to it. All right, so there we have it. This is the passenger side. So this hinge wasn't as bad as this hinge was. See, it doesn't even close. And this one's good. So we will paint these afterwards, but let's go get these installed and hopefully our hood gap's gonna be looking good. And then we'll get the front end assembled. All right, so just like that, look at these gaps. Perfect. And the hood's not sitting down back here anymore. All these gaps looking good, just with brand new hinges. So let's see if maybe we can put together this front end a little bit. So there we have it. We got the headlights on, the little support on, but apparently I got the wrong grill. So this one sits in a little bit more, so I don't know if that's off a newer one. Might have to check the listing where I got it from. But everything is lining up really nicely. Pretty much ready for the body work. So, and let's figure out this grill. All right, so it's actually the next day, and it looks good. Pretty much gonna be ready to start sanding this down. Look at that, very nice. So we can take all this apart. Oh, look at that. It's like Christmas. Take it all apart. But I guess before we get this painted, let's go ahead maybe and sand down the bed. And maybe paint the bed and the fender by themselves, and then we'll start wet sanding the truck. All right, so there we have it. We got the parts sanded, nice and easy, scuffed it up, not a big deal. We degreased everything, wiped it down, and we're gonna paint the bed, inside the bed, under the hood, and the hood hinges. So this should go pretty quick. Usually we do single stage underneath the hood and the hinges, but today we're gonna do 2 to 3 coats of white and 2 to 3 coats of pearl, or no pearl, just clear. So let's mix up the paint. All right, so just like that, we got the Raptor sanded down, scuffed, and ready for paint. So this thing barely fits in here, but we're gonna go ahead and paint the fender separately, the hood separately, but we got the door, we got this piece we gotta paint. I made the call, we're gonna blend onto this door because we are painting this pillar, and the bedside's gonna be painted. So why not just clear this door? If any overspray goes on it, good. But and then we got the roof too. So let's go ahead and tape everything up and get to painting.
So let's talk about our Raptor progress. Definitely a transformation already with the body and paint work. Obviously there's still a lot of things to put together, but let's just talk about where we're at right now. The majority parts are there, the structure. So Ivan got that taken care of. The door's looking great. Obviously we're still missing a bed, so we'll put that on soon. We finally got the bolts from the dealer. So we got some new bed bolts kind of thing. I was like, man, we have to order some new ones, but check out the inside of that. That's crazy. There's no threads in there at all. So it's like you basically have to thread it with the bolt, I guess, or is that normal? But here's another new one and same thing. No threads inside of that one, so we'll have to get this one on this side, and then the other one I already replaced too. Here's another one right there put in. So we'll get that installed, and then you just kind of hammer it down, I guess. It's pretty crazy. Looks pretty clean right now. You can see the exhaust. Once I put the bed on, it's definitely gonna transform it, make it look like a truck again. This side's looking good. Ivan did a great job with the paint work and the body. It looks so different without the stickers and the graphics. It's like just deleted, kind of whitened out, I guess. But I like the stickers. It looks pretty cool. I think we're still waiting for a part or two in the front, a couple little hoses and intake pieces that we need. It's always like that kind of thing, but for now I say let's put the bed on. Let's get that on there and see what it looks like. We already got the bed over there painted as well. I guess we could check it out. I read you guys' comments with the 37, man. I think it's some of the tire spec or something. I forgot, but I appreciate the comments. I'll have to read it again. But this side's looking fantastic. Obviously still need to put all the little decals on there and stuff, but I think it's easier to handle it this way, and we'll just put it on there nice and lightly and get this thing installed. Surprisingly, a lot of work because of that inside skin as well. If it was just the outer skin, whatever, but having both of them like that, lots of work. But either way, it is done. It's looking good. Let's get this bed on the Raptor and see what it looks like a truck again. Nothing ever happened, guys. Look at that beautiful bed came on there. So light. I think it's awesome how they make them nowadays. I guess it's good and bad, because if it gets hit, then it crumbles like a can. But at the same time, it's easy to lift off and repair. I felt like I was doing nothing, especially with 4 guys. But hey, you gotta watch out. You're getting older, you gotta stretch it out. Sometimes you hurt your back, but this side looks like, you know, it's meant to be and how it was. And the other side, we'll get all the moldings on there, trim pieces and stuff, get this thing locked down. Probably throw some WD-40 on that one self-tapping nut, and I guess there's 2 of them that I have to replace, so I think that's pretty crazy how it works, but no big deal. We'll get all those cover pieces back on there, looking like a truck again. Sorry guys, unfortunately that's all the time for this episode. We're still waiting for some front end parts that are coming from the dealer. Back order, lead times like crazy, you know, it's the holidays, I guess, or parts are always hard to get, but not a big deal. Most of the parts are on there. The truck looks like it's there, and it's time for final assembly once the parts get delivered. Unfortunately, that's the name of the game. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate all the support, guys. And we'll catch you next time.